Jai Hind दोस्तों. So today we will discuss one of the very important question that are frequently asked in interview on frames. So basically you will get 2-3 questions from frame. First is what is frame? Second is how will you identify whether any web element is inside the frame or not? Third is how will you handle multiple frame? And fourth is what are the possible ways of handling frame? So let's start. So I would like to put some light on the concept of frame. So taking one example from real life, suppose I have a photo frame and I want to put my photo inside the frame. To do this, what I have to do is I need to open the photo frame first, then only I can place my photo inside the frame. So what we are doing here is to put the photo inside the frame, we are opening the frame first, like, right? So same thing we have to do in Selenium also, where we need to work with frame. Suppose any web element is inside the frame, then we cannot perform any operation directly on that web element. First we need to deal with the frame, then only we can perform any operation there. I hope this is clear now. So I will tell you. So if you want to take the count, if you want to check how many frames are available on the web page, to check this, mostly developer will give iframe tag name for the frame. So to check how many frames are there, we can write one statement: driver dot find elements by tag name iframe dot size. This will return the number of web elements, number of frames available on a web page, total count. So basically it will give you the total count of frames available on the page. So I hope this is also clear. So now we will discuss how will you come to know whether the web element is inside the frame or not. To check this, just you have to apply one simple logic. Just put the mouse over the web element for which you want to check and right click on that web element, and if you are able to see this frame on your screen, that means that web element is inside the frame. And if this frame is not visible on your screen, that means that web element is not inside the frame. So just taking one example, let me clear it with taking one example. So suppose I want to log into my Facebook page and my requirement is to click on login button. So I want to check whether that login button is inside the frame or not. So what I have to do is just I will put my mouse over the login button and I will right click there. And if I am able to see this frame on my screen, then first I have to deal with the frame, then only I can perform click operation on login button. So to switch to the frame, what we have to do is driver dot switch to frame, and inside frame we have to pass the parameter like ID, name, class, index, anything. So I hope this is also clear. So now we will discuss what are the possible ways of handling frame. Basically there are 3 ways to handle frame. First is by ID, second is by index, third is by name, and fourth is by web element. So now we will discuss the very important question, very hot question, that is 100% I can guarantee you will get in interview. That is, how will you handle multiple frame? So the interviewer will give you one condition. So they will give you 3 frame: first frame, second frame, third frame. First frame is the super parent frame, second frame is inside the first frame, third frame is inside the second frame. So we have 3 frame, one inside other, second, and third one inside second frame. So he will give you the condition like you have to perform any operation inside the third frame. So how will you proceed in this case? So what we have to do is, first we have to switch to the first frame. Driver dot switch to, we will give their frame, any ID, name, class, whatever we will get from HTML document. Then we will switch to the second frame, then we will go to the third frame, and after that we will perform any operation whatever is required there. Then again he will give you one condition, he will ask you another question from here. So he will give you requirement is, suppose you are on third frame and you want to perform any operation on second frame, then how will you proceed? So in this case what we have to do is, currently we are on third frame. So to perform any operation inside the second frame, we have to switch first to second frame, then only we can perform any operation there. So we will do there, what statement we will write here is driver dot switch to parent frame. So this parent frame, what basically it will do is, it will allow you to jump from current frame to one frame up. Suppose you are on third frame, this will allow you to jump to second frame. Suppose you are on fifth frame and you are using driver dot switch to parent frame, then it will allow you to jump from fifth to fourth, just one step up. So jumping to that frame, then we can perform the operation. And again here one question will come, like suppose you are on third frame and you want to perform any operation on first frame, then what will you do? So here we have to jump to the first frame, then we can perform any operation. So what statement we have to write here is driver dot switch to default content, to jump from the current to the super parent frame. So let me clear this, what is the concept here. So suppose I am on fifth frame and I want to jump to the first frame. So what I have to use is driver dot switch to default content. So what default content will do is, from the current frame, it will allow you to jump to the super parent frame. Super parent frame means the initial frame from where it started. Suppose you are on fifth, then the super frame will be 1. From there you started 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like that we came. Suppose we are on 10th frame, if we are using driver dot switch to default content, then it will allow you, this will allow you to jump from 10th frame to directly first frame. So that is our super frame, super parent frame. So I hope this is clear, and I will put all whatever we have discussed, I will put everything in the comment section, in my description, and if you have any doubt, please comment it and let me know. I will try to clear your doubt, and please check the description. I have documented all the points. Jai Hind दोस्तों.